Hey folks, it's the first holiday season in the combo classroom because we're just in grade -1. So I wanted to have a quick little campfire video, whatever, to wish you guys a happy holidays and show you a few nice things. Now, a lot of different cultures celebrate different stuff around this time. So depending what you celebrate, Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah or Happy something else. But all these traditions have something similar. It's really cold at this time, it gets dark earlier, and it's nice to have some light, some warmth, some gift giving, sometimes with your family and friends. And really that's what a lot of these winter holidays that different cultures do have in common. And so my family, even though I was born more Jewish than something else, so we usually did menorahs and usually did some version of Hanukkah when I was a kid, but we've mixed it up some years and we've done Christmases as well and bought a Christmas tree because those traditions aren't actually that different. They're both these winter season warmth and gift related holidays, and they're both nice for that reason. Good to have an excuse to get together with your family and friends and have some random traditions maybe. Like the menorah is a typical Jewish tradition. So is the dreidel is a fun little one. Where'd my dreidel fall off to? Dreidels are those little devices you spin that have some stuff in common with dice. Like, here's a tetrahedral die, and the tetrahedron rolls 1 out of 4 numbers. This says 4 on the top. That's how they measure which number it hit. And a dreidel has 4 possibilities as well when you spin it. And they basically line up with a little game where you win or lose little pieces of candy or money or other ways you might want to play the game. And so it's a kind of fun little dice-like spinnable thing. And you can even spin it upside down. Check this out. Oh, wait. Let me get the right angle. This is worth it. It's fun. You can spin them upside down. If that was on a still table, it would keep going. So that's a more elaborate, fun way to spin your dreidels. And since I have cool friends who know I like dice, I also was gifted some dreidel dice. Now, these actually have the same odds of rolling one of the dreidel things as spinning a dreidel does, because icosahedrons like this, 20-sided dice with 20 faces, if you put 5 different faces given to each of the symbols, you end up with a 1 in 4 chance of hitting each one. So we can roll our dreidel die if we ever don't have our dreidel handy. But whatever your traditions are this year, it's kind of fun. Me and my squad do a version called Extreme Dreidel. I'll have to show you the rules for sometime. That one's a little more extreme, as the name says. But whatever your traditions are, it's a nice time to just celebrate that in this cold, dark season, some of us, and maybe all of you if you're watching this on a computer screen, have some degree of shelter and warmth and maybe family or friends somewhere that's pretty awesome. And you guys are like my family and friends. I love you all, so that's something. And we're just getting started in this whole combo class thing. I'm sure we'll have really elaborate holiday specials for some future grades. This grade, we're just going to be hanging out, doing a bunch of live streams, short videos, and main channel episodes as usual. But, you know, we'll probably have a few more campfires, a few more little celebrations, because it is the holiday time. And even if you don't believe in any of those cultures' holidays, the solstice, which for the Northern Hemisphere is on the 21st day of December, is the longest night of the year, the least amount of daytime in comparison. That's just an earthly thing. Whether you believe in Hanukkah or Christmas or none or all, and what does believe even mean? Whether you like celebrating those or not, the solstice is something that should be acknowledged. It is a time when the year hits a certain climax and come down and goes throughout its cycle. It's pretty cool. So, in any case, just wanted to have a miniature campfire to wish you all a really nice holiday season, and thank you so much. We're at about 80,000 combo lords on this channel and about 22,000 on the main channel. And there's a little army on the TikTok page as well. And if you really want to chat with me more and the other combo lords, make sure to check out the Discord, the subreddit, the Patreon, and stuff like that in the description here. Extra special thanks to the people who have supported me on Patreon. I'm going to put your names in this description. And I love you all so much. Thank you. I think that's all I really needed to say right now. I'm going to get back to filming some math stuff for you guys. You want to put it out, Carlo? All right, guys. I love you. See you next time.